The way that I get my quarters is these vintage, you need a few things when you go and check your quarters. You're gonna need at least one vessel for your quarters. You need all your keys. Pretty much it. I mean, you should probably bring machines. Even though it's a really good location, you can see like the restaurant is a great location to have a vending machine at. You can see that where they were able to fit one. And this right here is my favorite location and my first location. I mean, I've checked this one recently too. I should have waited to do this video. It's just, you know, you do the video when you want, not when you... Anyway, this machine, yeah. I'm one roll down and I've got a few dollars in here. Always support your shops. Always go and buy something. I got this. However, I'm not really like a Pokemon guy. I can get into it even though I'm like the correct age and everything too. Those tattoos are probably from 2001. I got a lot of these too, from like, this is probably the mid 2000s or whatever. Friends gave to me or came with machines. A lot of the machines I bought were like locked, so you break them open, you find a bunch of stuff like that. Our own design stickers as well. This is for a brand I own. I make surfboards. This is the Crab of Fortune. He protects your car or your surfboard, or I put puzzles into it that you can win cash in person for it, and all of that goes to charity through one of my locations. You do end up accruing a lot of these. Like, these are knuckle tats. These are like early 2000 MILF tats. That's all you're gonna see. It's not safe for work. One crab. He tells your fortune. He tells your fortune, different size.